Inhale, now I'm tapped in once again. Been here since pyramids on the grid. Time really ain't real, shit, that's what it is. Third eye wide open, time to live. Took a look inside and I feel the bliss. What a feeling to be lost in the infinite.
Back on the land for day 2 of our fencing project. The drive-in always grounds us. Open skies, cows watching from the fields, and that peaceful feeling of being off-grid. We're grateful to be back. Now, let's get to work. We've got 6 ties set. It's a good day's work, dry, steady, and we're halfway there. My husband has put in a full day's work. Let's hear his final words.
Any last words on this last pole?
I thank God that He gave me the strength to get this done. So that's my last words. Lord, I thank you.
Amen, brother.
We came back this morning to test the strength of each tie. Solid. They held up overnight, even after a little wind came through. I'm thankful we're one step closer to securing this 2-acre section. And just a reminder, you can book your camping or glamping spot with us at hipcamp.com. Let's check that last one. Oh yeah, it's holding strong.
Inhale, now I'm tapped in once again. Been here since pyramids on the grid. Time really ain't real, shit, that's what it is. Third eye wide open, time to live. Took a look inside and I feel the bliss. What a feeling to be lost in the infinite.